Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. First I want to start off by saying thank you for being here, thank you for supporting the channel, and although for many people 700 subscribers might not be a lot, for me it's quite a lot. I'm happy to have each one of you here and I really appreciate that you are a part of this community. Some of you might notice the changes I did to this channel, and the first one and the most obvious is that now it has my name instead of Pro Photo Tips. This is a big change for me because I have big plans with this channel. It will still be on the photo video spectrum, but I would like to incorporate more like vlogs videos in my channel, and I would love for you to come along with me and trips and wherever I go. The reason for that would be that this way you can get to know me better personally, and I would like to get to know you as well. I am not, nor I have expectation that I am a big photographer or videographer. There are plenty big names here on the platform and I'm no way near them. But I would like to show you my adventure through this photo video journey. So that's why I'm sharing all these videos with you. I want to be able to help people who are starting into photography or videography. And I really enjoy doing these videos because this way I learn more by practicing them. So this year I would like to be a year in which I will be more consistent in my uploading schedule. My target would be a video every week. I know it'll be hard, it'll take a lot of effort because I have a full-time job as well to which I have to commit, but I believe it's doable. Yeah, so that'll be for 2020. Hope you'll stick around, and again I would like to thank you for your support and for being here. It really means a lot. See you guys next week. Salut!